here it is. This is the iPhone 11, as you can see. I got the box by itself, $725 I believe, with free shipping. $519 plus $725, which is around $526. Hey guys, this is Mike. I purchased a factory unlocked iPhone 11, 128 gigs. You need to know that Apple is not gonna make it $1,100 brand new phone just to give it to you for $700 so you can make $400. They're not gonna do that, and you need to know that, so that way you can take advantage of this and you know where you can get your savings from. Welcome guys, this is TECHmike. I do technology reviews and tutorials. Pretty much my goal is to have you learn some tricks so you can increase your income by $75,000 to $100,000 on a casual basis. And today I'm going to tell you about sourcing, where I get my phones, which is my main supplier right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Did you know that stores like Verizon, AT&T, Best Buy, Cricket, when they purchase the newest iPhone for resale, they don't make more than $50 or $60 when they sell the phone to customers. They don't make more than that. So that's why I need to explain to you guys where do we get phones where we can make a little bit more. So if we can't get great prices from Apple or the manufacturer, then we have to get it from someone who wants to get rid of it, such as me and you. And this is not like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or OfferUp, although it is the very good price. It is the same price as those places, but it's regulated by a middleman. And that's where I get my phones, because I don't want to, get something and then I feel like, oh, I lost my money. And I do this as a profession. I don't want sales to blow up in my face, or I don't want my store to be violated, So, so this is really the low, and I will show you, I'll compare with Amazon, and also you can compare with OfferUp. And you will see that the iPhone 11, you can get it for $90 less than Amazon. And that's where the people that are selling Amazon are getting it from places like this and selling it on Amazon, Anything from Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp or stuff like that, because those are scams. So you need somebody who's a middleman that's facilitating the trade, and who's an expert, and also who's able to provide guarantee if something goes wrong. So that's why you cannot do business with Facebook. That's why I don't do it personally. I get it from Gazelle. So that's the secret. Gazelle is a place where you can buy and sell, but it's facilitated by a middleman, and so they're selling it to Gazelle, and Gazelle is selling it to us. So Gazelle also takes the liability. So this is an awesome place to get phones, and you can also actually select to get excellent condition phones. And the prices are awesome, because we know that manufacturers are not offering it. but consumers are, because consumers are the ones that are paying the high prices, so they're also willing to take the loss as well when they want to get rid of it. So this is a place where you can get discount on phones, and even phones like Apple, and even the newest phone. So I'm going to show you some phones that I purchased from this website, Gazelle. Up to 20% off selected device. What else? They give you 0% APR. And guess what? You're not paying the full retail price to get this, and then you also get 30-day return policy, and you get free shipping as well. But main reason we're gonna purchase from here, and that's what I do now because of the price, and I'm gonna compare it with Amazon so you'll see the price difference. Okay, so we're gonna show you the price difference. This is iPhone 11. This is locked to AT&T at 402. But guess what? You can also use it for Cricket, H2O, and Net 10. So you're not just stuck with AT&T, but you can use AT&T contract, AT&T prepay, you can use Cricket, you can use H2O, you can use Net 10. Because H2O Net 10, they run on AT&T's network, and they're compatible for AT&T locked phones. So you can also see that the iPhone 11 unlocked is $450 plus tax. And I will show you Amazon. Okay, so this is Amazon. I'm searching for iPhone 11 AT&T, and I'm going to show you that. Look at this. This one is for Cricket Wireless, 600. 400 versus 600. And I'm going to show you is that here they don't really have that much choice. Look at this. The renewed version, which is unlocked, which is the same thing as the 450. Here it's 505. It's $55 more. And you're paying more in taxes, so another $4. So $59 you're paying. So as you can see, they don't have the $400 version in Amazon. Okay, so this is what I bought. I'm not gonna show you my billing address, but yeah, as you can see, I bought an iPhone 11 128 gigs unlocked, and I paid $519. And I'm gonna unbox this for you. And again, if I purchase this from Amazon, renewed iPhone 11 128, look, instead of $519, I would have paid $589. So as you can see, phone after phone, you're gonna save not $50, but you're gonna save more. You're gonna save more like $80 off Amazon. And that's awesome because Amazon is a very competitive place. So here it is. This is the iPhone 11. As you can see, there's not a scratch or scuffs or dent on the screen. Look at this on the side. Nothing. And look at the back. Okay, so look at the back. This is just my fingerprint. As you can see, there's nothing. So, I saved, this is 128 gigs, so I saved $90. buying it from Gazelle. I paid $5.19 versus $5.89. I paid $5.19 versus $5.89 for Amazon. And this is 128 gigs. The $400 that I was comparing in the beginning was for 64 gigs. And it didn't come with the box, but I bought this box from eBay the same day that I purchased it. It was $7.25 with free shipping. So you can do this too. You can buy from Gazelle. I have my link in the description place for Gazelle. I have my affiliate link. And yeah, you can once you purchase something from my link, you can also get your own link as well. That way you can give it to your friends and family. So yeah, I got the box by itself, $7.25 I believe, with free shipping. So yeah, even if you paid $5.89 from Amazon, you know, you would not get something like this. They would, you know. So I paid $5.19 plus $7.25, which is around $5.26 versus Amazon's, you know, like $600, or, you know. So you can definitely see, you know, you're saving 75 bucks. 75 bucks is a lot of money. So guys, you can do the same thing. You can use my link, my affiliate link, which is down in the description.